Hello everyone, I'm about to show you how to get to your STAR reading test for this afternoon. So please make sure you open up your Launchpad and you're going to find this symbol for STAR Math and Reading. Click on that and you're going to click I'm a student. Log in with your 6000 number and your password is STAR123, STAR123. And then when you get logged in, you're going to look for the STAR reading, which has the blue corner here. So click on that. And from here, you're going to click on English Language Arts 04, Cummings 208. Then click Next. Then you will click Start and complete your practice questions first. So do your best to complete those, and then you will get started with your test. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. And if you need to stop or pause your test, the password is admin, ADMIN.